Welcome to my channel. Hey everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up your NETGEAR Orbi RBRE960 Wi-Fi 6E mesh router with this easy step-by-step guide. We'll cover everything from connecting the router to your modem, powering it on, and using the Orbi app or web setup to get your high-speed Wi-Fi network up and running. Let's get started. Connect the router to your modem, unplug your modem and remove its power supply. Connect the Orbi RBRE960 to your modem using the provided Ethernet cable. Plug one end into the modem and the other into the WAN port on the Orbi router, reconnect the modem's power supply and turn it on. Wait for the modem to fully boot up. Power on the Orbi router, plug in the power adapter to the Orbi router and turn it on. Wait for the LED indicators to stabilize, which may take a few minutes. Download the Orbi app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. This app simplifies the setup process and allows for easy management of your network. Connect to the Orbi network. Use your smartphone or computer to connect to the default Wi-Fi network, SSID, of the Orbi router. The default network name and password are usually printed on a label on the router. Configure the network settings. Using the Orbi app, open the app and follow the on-screen instructions to set up your network name, SSID, and password. The app will guide you through the process, including connecting any satellites if you have them. Using a web browser, alternatively, you can access the router's web interface by entering orbilogin.com in your browser. Log in with the default credentials, usually admin, for both username and password. From there, you can customize your network settings, including changing the SSID and password. Finalize setup. Once you have configured your settings, save the changes. Your Orbi network should now be operational, providing Wi-Fi coverage throughout your home or office. If you are unable to set up your NETGEAR Orbi RBRE960 or need our assistance, then you can reach us. Thank you for watching.